What if I told you there's a camera that could fit in your pocket, shoot with an APS-C sensor, and deliver those signature Fujifilm colors all for around $1,000? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what the rumored Fujifilm X80 might be. Today, we're deeply diving into everything we know, what we're hoping for, and whether this could be the game-changing camera. But before we start, let me ask you, are you tired of lugging around heavy gear? Or maybe you're stuck choosing between your phone and spending $2,000 on a premium compact? Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your biggest frustration with today's camera market? The Fujifilm X80 carries forward the retro-inspired ethos that has made this series so beloved, presenting itself as a compact, all-metal camera steeped in classic rangefinder charm, while incorporating thoughtful refinements that elevate the shooting experience. Built on a magnesium alloy chassis, it strikes an ideal balance between durability and portability, and the slightly deeper grip improves handling for longer sessions. A key upgrade is the addition of full weather sealing, eliminating the need for extra accessories and making it a trustworthy companion for travel and street photographers in all conditions. True to Fujifilm's philosophy, tactile control remains central. Dedicated dials for shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation deliver mechanical precision, now tuned with smoother resistance for a more fluid feel. Its fixed 23mm f2 lens houses a whisper-quiet leaf shutter, ensuring near-silent operation that preserves discretion in candid environments. On the rear, the LCD has been upgraded with higher resolution and improved touch responsiveness, streamlining both navigation and shooting speed. Perhaps most importantly, the iconic hybrid optical/electronic viewfinder returns, offering photographers the freedom to switch between a pure optical window for a traditional experience and an information-rich EVF when precision is paramount. The X80 doesn't reinvent the formula, but rather refines it in nearly every way, delivering one of the most elegant balances of form and function in the compact camera world. A tool that stays true to Fujifilm's heritage while addressing the needs of modern shooters who demand reliability, discretion, and timeless design. Inside, the Fujifilm X80 houses a cutting-edge 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, paired with the high-speed X Processor 5, the same imaging engine powering Fujifilm's flagship APS-C bodies. And this alone marks a massive leap over the X70's much older 16 megapixel sensor. The jump in resolution transforms the X80 into a far more versatile tool, elevating it beyond its street and travel routes into a camera equally capable of handling landscapes, fine art, and even professional-grade commercial projects where detail and tonal accuracy are critical. Thanks to its back-illuminated design, the sensor delivers improved light sensitivity, allowing the camera to perform with confidence in low-light situations where older compacts might have struggled. Noise is rendered with a fine, film-like quality that preserves detail even at higher ISOs, making ISO 6400 a genuinely workable option for everyday shooting, while ISO 12800 remains surprisingly usable in real-world conditions, a testament to Fujifilm's advancements in sensor technology. The dynamic range is equally impressive, providing ample flexibility for photographers to recover highlights in bright skies, or pull detail from deep shadows when working in RAW, giving creative freedom in post-production without sacrificing image integrity. Fujifilm has also updated the coatings on the X80's fixed 23mm f2 lens, improving contrast, color separation, and resistance to flare, making it more reliable in challenging lighting scenarios such as backlit portraits or night street scenes. The combination of high resolution, excellent tonal gradation, and nuanced rendering creates images that feel both modern in technical precision and timeless in their emotional depth, perfectly aligning with Fujifilm's heritage of blending film-inspired aesthetics with digital innovation. Whether you're chasing sharp architectural details, subtle transitions in natural light, or expressive storytelling through candid moments, the X80 delivers consistently beautiful results that make it stand out as not just an upgrade, but a complete reimagining of what a compact APS-C camera can achieve in 2025. Few brands carry the weight of color science like Fujifilm, and the X80 continues that legacy in full force, offering one of the most refined color experiences available in a compact camera. At its core is the impressive 40-megapixel sensor, which works seamlessly with Fuji's iconic film simulations: Provia, Velvia, Astia, Classic Chrome, and Eterna, while also introducing the newer Reala Ace, a profile that blends the vibrant punch of Velvia with the natural tonality of Provia for a balanced yet distinctive look. This variety gives photographers the ability to shoot with distinct visual personalities straight out of the camera, ensuring that every image carries a unique character without the need for time-consuming editing. Skin tones appear natural and beautifully rendered, colors remain rich yet accurate across a wide range of conditions, and the improved auto-white balance system proves more intelligent than ever, smoothly adapting to mixed or shifting light sources with minimal user intervention. What further sets Fujifilm apart is the depth of creative control available directly in camera, as users can refine tone curves, introduce film-like grain effects, and tweak color depth to build custom film recipes that reflect their own artistic vision. For many photographers, this means that images are truly ready to share, display, or even print immediately after capture, with little to no reliance on external post-processing software. This is a defining element of Fujifilm's philosophy, providing not just a technical tool for capturing moments, but a creative companion that delivers them with emotion, nostalgia, and unmistakable style. The X80 embodies this approach perfectly, allowing both enthusiasts and professionals to focus less on editing and more on the joy of shooting, while consistently producing photographs that carry the unmistakable Fujifilm signature look that has inspired generations of image makers. The Fujifilm X80 represents a remarkable leap in compact camera performance, benefiting enormously from Fujifilm's latest autofocus technologies. At its core, the X80 leverages advanced deep learning AI to deliver subject detection and tracking that is impressively versatile, reliably recognizing people, animals, birds, vehicles, and more, ensuring that photographers rarely miss the decisive moment. Eye and face detection are particularly refined, maintaining precise focus even when subjects move unpredictably, step into challenging low-light conditions, or shift across the frame, providing confidence in every shot. The autofocus coverage spans nearly edge to edge, giving complete compositional freedom without the need to worry about focus points or recomposing mid-frame. Complementing this intelligent focus system, the X80 offers remarkable shooting speed, capturing up to 11 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and an astonishing 20 frames per second electronically, all while keeping rolling shutter under control despite the demands of its high-resolution sensor. Fujifilm's commitment to usability is evident throughout. The camera features classic tactile dials for intuitive hands-on operation, a streamlined menu system, and a fully customizable cue menu, allowing photographers to tailor controls to their workflow. Visual feedback is equally refined, with both the electronic viewfinder and rear LCD benefiting from higher refresh rates that make subject tracking smooth and natural, reducing lag and making fast action easier to follow. Battery life is solid, and USB-C charging ensures the camera can keep pace with modern shooting schedules and workflows without interruption. All of this is wrapped in a design that maintains Fujifilm's analog-inspired charm, striking a perfect balance between cutting-edge technology and tactile, enjoyable operation. The X80 is not just a capable camera, it's a thoughtfully engineered tool that empowers photographers to shoot confidently, creatively, and efficiently in virtually any scenario, making it a standout choice for those who demand performance and usability in a compact package. Though primarily designed as a stills camera, the Fujifilm X80 demonstrates an impressive leap in video capabilities, delivering far more than one might expect from this class of camera. It captures oversampled 4K video at 30p with 10-bit 422 color and F-Log2 support, allowing filmmakers to achieve cinematic quality results with wide dynamic range straight out of the camera. Fujifilm's renowned color science carries over beautifully to motion, ensuring footage looks natural, organic, and film-like without heavy post-processing, making it ideal for creators who value both aesthetics and efficiency. Adding to its video prowess, The X80 incorporates 5-axis in-body image stabilization, a first for the line, which dramatically enhances handheld shooting, providing smooth, professional-looking footage, whether recording spontaneous travel clips, lifestyle content, or more polished short films. The autofocus system is equally noteworthy, offering reliable subject tracking even in dynamic or motion-heavy scenes, maintaining sharpness and precision without frequent manual adjustments. Beyond video, the camera embraces modern connectivity options, including LAN, USB-C, and wireless capabilities, enabling photographers and videographers to tether, stream, or transfer files instantly to computers, servers, or other devices. This combination of high-quality recording, robust stabilization, precise autofocus, and versatile connectivity transforms the X80 from a basic hybrid stills video camera into a powerful creative tool, capable of meeting professional demands in editorial, event, studio, or content creation environments. It strikes a remarkable balance between portability and capability, proving that even a camera with roots in photography can confidently step into the world of cinematic motion, while maintaining the intuitive, tactile experience that Fujifilm users cherish, ultimately offering a versatile platform that satisfies both casual videographers and professionals seeking a compact yet fully capable video solution. The Fujifilm X80 is proof that compact cameras are not only alive, but thriving. It honors its lineage with classic design and tactile shooting, while embracing modern imaging technology, connectivity, and versatility. It's not the biggest, fastest, or flashiest, but it doesn't need to be. Instead, it's a camera that reminds us why we pick one up in the first place: to create images that feel authentic, meaningful, and beautifully rendered. In a world chasing specs, the X80 is the photographer's pause button, slowing you down just enough to fall back in love with the craft.